Hello and hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to Corner Culture, Thoughts Off the Mainstream. My name's Kalen, I'm your host, owner and operator of the show. Today I wanted to do just a quick little video. I want to show you all how easy it is to use Lightning and how incredibly fast it is. That's number one. Number two, I want to show you the hardware wallet that I believe is the best option out there, just on all fronts, security-wise, functionality-wise, and cost-wise. It's the cheapest option out there. And when you use my code, KOSATOSHI, you'll get an additional 10% off, even further than a price that's already insanely cheap, if you ask me, just given what it's capable of and how secure it is. So anyway, let's get right into it. So first and foremost, we're looking at the Blockstream Jade Hardware Wallet. And I wanted to take you to the Twitter page first because the number of things that this hardware wallet, the functions that this wallet offers, it's just incredible. So you can seed your QR, or you can QR your seed, which is interesting. Easily and safely transcribe a seed QR from Jade. Conduct recovery phrase login and restore a wallet using a recovery seed QR code. How cool is that? You can download and print this thing and practice on it, which is just super cool. So I'm actually definitely going to be doing that later. And then secondly, there's other thing here. Yeah, check this out. Never roll your own crypto, but you can roll your own entropy, and the Blockstream Jade can help you do it. So I guess it gives you some kind of control or some sort of a specific functional control in creating your seed phrase. That's incredible. I don't remember having anything to do with my seed phrases when I set up my ledger, when I set up my Trezor. I've set up 2 ledgers and 1 Trezor. I don't remember ever having any kind of options when it came to the seed phrase whatsoever. So that's cool. What's another one here? Oh yeah, verify your seed phrase backup and join the cutting edge. Open source development. That's another thing I wanted to point out about this Jade hardware wallet. It's open source, fully open source. I don't know of any other hardware wallets out there that are open source at this price point, which is about $60. You're going to see here in a minute, and I'm going to compare prices to other devices. It's incredible. So anyway, that is the hardware wallet we're going to look at. The Jade right here. Unfortunately, they don't have it in the green right now, which really bums me out. But I was in touch with someone at the store saying that they're going to have one. They're going to have them back in stock. He said 3 to 4 months, I think. So as soon as they are, I'm going to do a video ordering a green one. I'm going to showcase the green one again because I just want that green. Just look up. That's just such a pretty green, man. I just love that color. Anyway, so I'm going to add this to the cart. And let's go view the cart. And so you get the 12-word QR, 24-word QR template for free included with this, which is fantastic. So check this out. Coupon code KOSATOSHI. Apply coupon. Boom, 10% off, $6.50. I mean, what is it really? But hey, I'll take it. Now proceed to checkout. All right, I'm gonna put in all my stuff here. No, thank you, not that. Make sure that's all correct. It is. Create an account now, that's fine. And then I'm gonna pay with Lightning. So this is gonna pull up a BTC Pay server QR code, I'm pretty sure. So let's get that going. So proceed to BTC Pay, sure enough. I got BTC Pay set up on my store, so I'm pretty familiar with it. If y'all are interested. What? Oh, yeah, that's right. Put all this back in again. All right, coupon. And then, oh, yeah, then you got to add shipping, which is annoying. But, hey, I still get my discount, so that's cool. So the discount basically covered shipping. Almost covered shipping. Not a bad deal. I'll take it. Okay, so that's something I noticed, by the way. select what payment method you're going to use first before you input your ship to information. That was really annoying. I had to enter it in a second time because I changed the payment method after I put in the shipping information. So anyway, beware of that. All right, proceed to BTC Pay. Cool. So now what I'm going to do on my phone here is I'm going to start my screen record here. We're going to go microphone audio. All right. So now I am recording on my phone as well because I really want to make sure that that I could show you guys how this is done, how unbelievably easy this is. So on your phone, I'm using Wallet of Satoshi. It's just the easiest one to use. I'm tired of managing keys, man. So if I had an option, a custodial option that's super easy to use, I'm going to use it. You know, I know some people are going to freak out about any custodial wallet usage whatsoever, but man, if you just keep a balance really low on a custodial wallet, and you know for a fact that it's a custodial wallet, it's not a big deal. It's like, you know, it's no different than walking around with cash in your wallet. You don't walk around with $3,000 plus dollars in your wallet. Like, you just don't do that. You're going to be more secure about it if you do, right? You only keep $100 in your wallet, $200 in your wallet at a time. That's how I view these custodial wallets, like Wallet of Satoshi. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and hit the send button here, and it's gonna want to. Now I don't want to do bolt 11. Oh, it looks like I don't have a choice though. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just scan it. All right, yeah. Doing it in sats, paid to Blockstream store, ID number, about $67. I believe that is correct. So go ahead and hit the send button. Okay, fingerprint, and boom. Just like that. You see how fast that was? Do you see how it's literally lightning fast? Is that not ridiculous? Is that not just insanely ridiculous how fast that is? So cool. That's $67. Yep, there it was. Boom. So I got I just ordered my first Blockstream Jade Hardware Wallet, and when I get it in, either you're going to see that video later, or I'm going to edit these two videos together. I'm not sure. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how I'm feeling, you know. We'll see how I'm feeling. All right, but check this out. So that was $67 after shipping and after the 10% discount using my code Satoshi. All right. Check out the ledger. $80. That's your starting price. Now, I don't have a code for ledger, and I don't know. I've never seen one floating around out there. But I've bought two. And, you know, shipping, if they're coming from the UK, so shipping's like $20. And it might even be more. I can't remember. But, so, you know, you're looking at like $100 after taxes minimum to get a Nano Plus. You know, and don't get me wrong, Nano Plus is great, but it's not open source. Ledger is not open source. And we all know recently about what happened there. Okay, if you don't, look it up. Basically, Ledger came out and revealed that the chip that stores the wallet data, the seed phrase, has always been able to leave the device, but they just never enabled it until a firmware update came in. And so, I mean, just on Bitcoin Twitter, all hell broke loose there. Severely damaged the reputation, but from what I understand, it's not the first time that Ledger's done this. So whatever. And then check out Trezor. You know, starting at 69. This is the most basic model they have. It's the Model 1. I think the other one is like 199 starting. So again, this is the good one. Again, not open source. Trezor supposedly can be hacked in person. You know, that's a claim being made by someone online. I don't know how true that is, so I don't want to say that it is true, but you know, I suppose any device can be hacked at the end of the day. You know, whether it's a social hack or otherwise. And then I'm just pulling up CoinKite's cold card because this is kind of like the ironclad standard, but you know, of just being an absolutely like perfectly secure device. But even then, look, starting at $147.94, you know, let alone taxes and shipping. So I only bring these examples up as just to point out the price point comparison. Okay, the Blockstream Jade has all the security of these guys. Maybe not quite the security of the cold card, but I'd say it's pretty damn close. it's, you know, it's open source and it's super affordable, especially with my code. So use my code. All right, well, that's all I got for y'all today. So either we'll catch you later, or stay tuned for the rest of the video where I actually review the hardware wallet. I don't know.